3-year-old sleeper. Once upon a time there was a son who was very lazy. My son eats a lot of food every day, and all he has left is groaning. Don't go to bed all the time, but work a little. Komagu. Even if the mother asks for it, my son just snores and replies. This house was very poor because my son didn't work at all. And this son, who was always sleeping, was called Night Terror. Then one day, when he suddenly got up, he told his mother, "Buy me a white kimono and a shrimp, old Boji." Sleeping Taro suddenly started talking, and the surprised mother hurriedly went to town to buy a white kimono and a shrimp. When he wore a white kimono and wore a shrimp, he went out to the next door neighbor's elder brother. Then he climbed up the tall cedar tree growing in the large garden of the elder's house and said to the elder in a low voice, "This, this, 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 this." When I saw the sleeping Taro in the white kimono on the tree, I thought that the elder was a god. "Here, this is God." Neitaro said to the elderly man who bowed his head. "Well, I am God. Listen carefully to what you are about to say. If you don't marry the daughter of this family to the next door neighbor, do as you say, or you'll be ruined." The old man rubbed his head against the ground and hurriedly replied, "Yes, I will do as God tells me." Eventually, the daughter of an elderly man took a lot of money and married into Neitaro's house. Then, Neitaro, his daughter-in-law and his mother lived happily with the money they brought. The end.